Hi there. Um, I'm gonna go through counting eggs using ImageJ and automated macro for people who couldn't make to the training sessions or still have problem with the program. Okay, the first thing first, you want to have your image downloaded from Dropbox. Uh, this image is the same image that we are using in our training assignment, and also you want to have your automated macro. So let's open ImageJ. Go on File, Open. Click on the image that you want to use. Open. I think depending on your computer, it might take some time. Alright, there it is. So now we want to run macro. We go on File again, Open, and choose Macro, Open. From this menu, you want to choose Macros and Run Macro. Now the image is gonna turn red and white, and bunch of windows are gonna open. Okay. Next, you want to click on the image and click on File and revert. Okay. Now it's gonna turn black again. Wow, this one has a lot of eggs in it. Okay, next we want to go to Google Doc. It's gonna be like this, and you're gonna have here on left side, it's gonna be shared with me, and you're gonna have a folder with your name. Click, and there's gonna be a spreadsheet inside it. Open it. Okay, this is the spreadsheet that we are using. Use this first page as your template, and every time you want to put your information, like the numbers here, make sure to duplicate this thing. Right click and duplicate, or I think Mac users are click with 2 fingers and duplicate. And okay, this is the copy of it. Now we want to rename it, and the name is gonna be the date of the file, which here is 1/19/14. So right click, rename. It's gonna be 1/19/2014. All right, there it is. That's the name. So each one of these rows are gonna be used for one image. This image that we are using, the name of it will be ACO, all capital, 1, capital C, and lowercase a. Okay. I just opened this to show you examples of the name. You're gonna have ACO, like 1, 2, 3 different numbers, capital C, A. This has to be capital, and forget about F1 or whatever the date is, because this is not part of the name. All the images that we are gonna use are gonna have this F, so let's not put it as name. And also this is gonna be ACO1, capital K and lowercase o. ACO1, this is right how it is, like capital K, lowercase o, capital C, lowercase a, and just. And let's go with this naming method, because in the future pictures you will see that images are named kind of differently. Some of them have dates, some of them don't. let's just name it this way. And then for the date, you want to use the date of the file, which is gonna be 1/19/2014. Okay, for raw count, you want to use this window. Make sure this is all the way to the bottom, and the most bottom left number is gonna be your raw count, which is 4,334. This example, 4,334. All right. For being one, you want to drag your mouse. You're gonna use this window, and you're going to drag your mouse to this black part. You don't click or anything. Just drag it there, and here you'll see a number count 571. I believe Mac users it doesn't say count, it just plain number. So drag your mouse there, and that's gonna be our bin 1. So bin 1 is 571. Our bin 2 is the same window, but this time drag it to the white part, and it says 143. That number, it's over here, 143. Okay, 143. Now we have human plus and human minus. What you want to do for this is use this menu, click on initialize. Oh no, click on the image, click on initialize. Okay. All the numbers are gone, and a bunch of blue dots which are eggs that the computer thinks are eggs. So let's make this thing larger, and with the plus key on your keyboard, you guys can zoom in on this thing, and if you hold your space bar, this plus mouse thingy becomes hand. Okay. All right, so now we want to look for things that program things are egg, but they're not. Like, let's say this is not egg, but it's being counted as egg. This is not egg, this is not egg, this is not egg, and this is egg. Egg looks like a rice, kind of rice. So also we want to look for eggs that haven't been counted. Like, look at these eggs, they haven't been counted. All these eggs, or sometimes there are 2 eggs on each other or 3 eggs on each other, and they've been counted as 1. Like, we have 2 eggs here that have been counted as 1, or same thing here. This is 3 eggs here. So for takeoff things that are not egg, like this is an egg, we want to click on type 5 on this program, on this menu, and click on whatever we think is not egg. Okay, that's not egg. This is an egg, this is an egg. Space again, these are not egg, these are not egg. Okay, all right. I'm gonna do just a small part of it, just to make the video shorter. And now we want to click on type 4 for the eggs that haven't been counted. Okay, we have 1 here, 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. These are 2 eggs that have been counted as 1, so I'll add 1 more. Same thing here, I'll add 2 more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Space, Let's go here. I have like a bunch of them here. Okay, so you guys got the idea, right? Type 5, these two are not egg, that's not egg. Okay, so by end of the image, I don't know, you guys, the pattern that you want to go from right to left, from top to bottom, however you want to go, you will go through the entire picture and choose whatever that is egg and add with type 4, and take off whatever that is not egg with type 5. At the end of it, you're gonna have a bunch of type 4s, which we here just with little bit of it we had 25 of it, and a bunch of type 5s we had 15 of it, right? So we want to go to our spreadsheet for type 4. Of course, if I go through the whole image, it's gonna be a way larger number than these, so it's gonna be 25 here and 15 here. Okay, the total count is gonna be counted automatically, so you guys don't want to do anything with that. This is done, so we'll go for next picture, and just as an example of names, I'll just type all the name types. CO1, CO1, KA, CO1. Let me see. Oops. This is KO. I'm sorry. CO1, KO. CO1, KO, CA, CO1, East. Okay. And of course all the numbers belonging to this this image. Okay, and for next week, or for the images that they have the another date, we will just duplicate from here, duplicate it and rename this. By end of the quarter, we're gonna have a bunch of tasks down here, and there's no saving or anything, but once you put your numbers here, it's saved automatically. I think that's it. You guys have a great weekend, and if any question or anything, please email me or Eric. Thank you. Bye.